So some states have decided to once again go for a relock, but in other areas things are still opening up. Malls in Delhi have opened as the capital is slowly finding its feet after a 2-month lockdown. So how have things changed and what's the new normal in malls now? Our correspondent Anisha Mathur spent a day at the DLF Mall in Saket to understand how contactless shopping now is the way forward.
First stop today is DLF Avenue Mall at Saket, where as you can see, the moment you get out of the car, the attendant will ask you to sanitize your hands properly before you can enter the mall itself. Temperature was taken and everybody in the car, including the driver, was asked to show whether they or not they were in the green zone according to the Arogya Setu app. All of these are basic precautions you need to take before you enter into the mall. At the DLF Mall, another precaution has been put in place of an isolation room. This is a small room that has been created slightly further away from the mall, and if any shopper tests at a higher temperature while entering the mall itself, they are sent to this isolation room where the paramedic tests their temperature and a team is alerted to take them to the nearby hospital. This mall is ensuring sanitization and social distancing by putting up masks and sanitizers at every entrance. And the moment a customer enters the mall, the housekeeping staff will immediately sanitize the door. Fight corona is to maintain social distancing and not touch surfaces that have been touched by other people. But if you're trying to go shopping for clothes, shoes, accessories or anything else, how exactly are you supposed to manage that? Many stores are not even allowing trial of clothes, but at the stores which are allowing trial, like the Vero Moda here, they say that while we allowing trial of clothing, the clothes that somebody tries on are isolated after that for 24 hours so that another customer does not touch the same clothing. The normal practice of browsing at any clothing store is now something that you can't do. At any store, if you go, touching the hanger or the clothing is not something allowed. The store staff will come and show you whichever clothing you want to take a look at. So how exactly does this work? क्या करते हैं अगर आप customer घुसता है तो?
So first of all, we check their temperature. If it's fine, so we allow them to get into the store, and then we give some sanitizer to them. Then we ask to them if they're looking something specific in the store, what kind of clothes they're looking for. So we help them accordingly.
The attendant will tell you all about the product. They'll tell you what size they think will fit you, and after that you can purchase it without actually touching the clothes themselves. Okay, so can I try them on or touch them, or क्या protocol है?
आपको जो चीज अच्छा लग रहा है आपको निकाल के हम देंगे, but आप try नहीं कर सकते.
At the Malmal store, the store has been divided into two parts with one attendant on each side. If you want to try clothes from that side, the attendant there will show you the clothing. If you want to try something a little heavier and for party wear, the other attendant will show it to you. You're not supposed to touch the clothes except just one thing after you've made your selection for the sake of fitting. Even at a shoe store, the staff will ask you to sit and point to the shoes that you want. They will give it to you for trying, and then the shoe will be sanitized and kept away from the other shelves for about 2 hours before it's put back on the shelf. We're at the Om Book Shop to find out how they're handling the coronavirus pandemic. अगर मुझे कुछ किताबें देखनी हैं, तो मैं अपने आप हाथ लगा के किताब को देख सकती हूँ कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं? You're not supposed to be touching the books that you're not buying. Browsing is something that is currently being discouraged. to browse and touch clothes here?
Touch clothes also. That's the reason we have this hand gloves also and the sanitizing machine. So every customer want to change their mask or the gloves, we have extra masks and gloves with us.
If I try on something, you'll put it in the quarantine.
Quarantine zone for 48 hours. We'll take it out after 2 days after sanitizing all. We have sanitizing machine inside also.
But what happens when you're trying to buy makeup? How do you have contactless shopping for something that requires being tried out? We're trying to go into the Kiko store at DLF Promenade, Vasant Kunj to find out just that. Somebody comes in and touches something that, you know, I'll pick it up and I'll see. I will not put it on my skin, but I will pick it up and see what happens.
That has not happened so far because we are very much vigilant. And we all the time, since you have walked in, I'm going to accompany you till the time you walk out of the store. So we will make sure that you do not touch, or before you touch, we will, politely request you not to, go and touch the product.
हम लोग भी आज बहुत डेयर करके बाहर निकले हैं, मॉल में आए हैं. DLF हमें लगा सबसे ज़्यादा सेफ होगा. That's why we are here.
Today I came, I thought I just should make it a try.
I'm here to buy some essentials because actually we have to start our economy and our offices.
They sanitized our hands and then they took the temperature and it was cool. After 2.5 months I am coming to the
How
mall.
do you feel about it?
Like last I came in March. So it's a good experience again. Once again we can come and shop.
After 3 months, the cabin fever has set in and people have now started coming out, going to shop and going to malls. And it's at the malls that all precautions must be maintained as people are coming out to shop. Malls are ensuring sanitizers are kept at every short distance. Masks and gloves are being handed out. So people come out, shop, enjoy your lives, but please ensure that you maintain all safety protocols. In New Delhi with cameraman Alok Das, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.